Today we will learn English with a short story called The Crow and the Pitcher. This story is about a clever crow who finds a smart way to solve a problem. Listen carefully and learn new words.
One hot summer day, a thirsty crow flew across the fields. The sun was hot, and the crow was very tired. He wanted to drink water, but he could not find any. At last, the crow saw a pitcher near a farmhouse. He quickly flew down to the pitcher. The crow looked inside. There was a little water at the bottom. The crow tried to drink. He put his beak inside the pitcher. But the water was too low. He could not reach it. The crow thought, "What should I do? I am very thirsty. I need water." He tried to push the pitcher, but it was too heavy. He tried to tip it over, but it would not move. The crow stopped and thought again. Then he had an idea. He saw small stones on the ground. He picked up a stone with his beak and dropped it into the pitcher. The crow kept picking up stones and dropping them into the pitcher. Slowly, the water began to rise. The crow was happy and excited. Finally, the water came to the top. The crow drank the cool water and felt fresh again. He flew away, happy and strong.
The story teaches us, where there is a will, there is a way. It means, if you think carefully and don't give up, you can solve problems in life. Listen and answer this question loudly to improve your speaking skill. What was the crow looking for on a hot day? The crow was looking for water. Why couldn't the crow drink from the pitcher at first? Because the water was too low and he could not reach it with his beak. What clever idea did the crow have? He decided to drop small stones into the pitcher. How did the crow make the water rise? By putting stones in the pitcher, the water slowly came up. What is the lesson of the story? The lesson is, where there is a will, there is a way. Don't give up. Be clever and find a solution. So, what do you think about the clever crow? Have you ever solved a problem in a smart way? Write your answer in the comments. And remember, in learning English, be like the crow. Use smart ways, don't give up, and you will succeed.